Welcome back. We hear a lot about spa procedures that use lasers or micro needles, but today we're talking about a non-invasive treatment that uses the power of sound waves. Dr. Deborah Mangione is back from the Wisconsin Vein Center MediSpa to tell us all about Sofwave technology that can tighten and revitalize the skin with no downtime, which is incredible. No downtime.
No downtime at all. Matter of fact, I had one yesterday morning.
Wow, and you're not red, you're not swollen?
No, not at all. Now, it's a little bit painful when you have it done, so you have to be numbed up topically.
Okay.
But it's short, you know, they're little kind of bursts of discomfort, and then it's gone.
Okay, so the numbing cream.
Numbing cream works very well.
As everything.
Yes.
Okay, so it's non-invasive, no downtime. The benefit is skin tightening. So I've heard it referred to as superb technology.
This is, the company calls it superb technology. What's happening is there are parallel waves of ultrasound being delivered at the same time, parallel pulses, that cause just heating of the dermis of the skin. It's precisely at 1.5 millimeters. And so you don't have any injury to the epidermis. It's spared because it's going deeper than that. Okay. You're not injuring nerves or fat or anything underneath. So you're not going to be causing any melting of fat or any problems that could occur later.
So does this regenerate collagen?
Regenerates collagen and elastin. So collagen is that structural protein in the skin, and then elastin is the one that gives you that resilience and bounceability of your skin. And at the same time, it's stimulating the production of more hyaluronic acid, and so that's going to give you more moisturization as well.
Okay, and I know there's no break in the skin, like you said. That's why there's no danger to the epidermis, but that's also why you have no bruising and recovery time is not needed.
That's exactly right, and we can do it on any skin color and tone, and we can do it even on tan skin during the summer, and you don't have to stay out of the sun, but of course, always wear sunscreen.
Right, okay, so what people wonder, and as we look at these pictures, can it lift the eyebrows? What about the upper lid, fine lines?
And the younger you are, the more rapidly it works. Now here you're going to see some little bit of change, this is from last year, around my mouth and around just under my eyes. And so it does improve all these areas. And if you're younger, like this picture, you can actually see a real lift occurring.
I mean, that changed her profile.
Yes, I will tell you that I definitely see, it's more than 3 months, you'll continue to see improvement. Because I think that my jawline right now is better than it was a year ago. And so,
which is just crazy.
I know.
I mean, it's just
so you have to be patient, and a lot of people don't see a huge result, and it's hard to see in pictures, but they can tell.
Yeah,
they can tell.
Well, and my mom always, when she sees you on the show, or Faye, because I know Faye comes to see you, she's always like, they're aging in reverse.
Well, I mean, they're really true, but
they look
but
so
you have to try to keep up, and keeping your skin healthy is just a good thing to do. It's not necessarily just about appearance, it's about actually keeping your skin healthier, thicker, less likely to damage.
Now, based on what you said about the jawline and maybe, you know, the upper eyelid, can you focus on an area?
Yes.
Can you concentrate on things that are sort of problem areas?
Absolutely, you can. We can deliver more energy to those areas, or you can just come in and, for instance, have a treatment around your eyes.
Okay.
Or the lower face, so that those things work very well to try to improve the appearance of the skin.
And it can be performed year-round?
Yes, year-round.
So you're not, like AFT, for example, you try to time with summer and not being in the sun?
That's right, just because you don't want to have any danger from the sun of causing a burn, because you're already doing something to the surface of the skin. With this, you're going deeper than the epidermis. There's really no chance of injuring the skin with sunlight.
One of the things I know you believe strongly in is to maintain results or to even enhance the results that you get in your office, because you say the at-home part of skincare is so important. Do you have products that are good for supporting Sofwave?
Absolutely, we do. And there are some newer products that I will be talking about in the future. For instance, the exosome product that I finally have found one that I really, really like and would recommend.
And exosomes are big because of why?
Well, because everybody's been talking about them in stem cells. And they're the little messaging packets from the cells that send a message from one cell to another to tell it what to do.
Okay. And so that can be really beneficial with skincare and maintaining those great results that continue to show up.
Especially we want those regenerative exosomes to give the messages, hey,
Yeah.
do something, improve this.
So if people come in for a Sofwave treatment, they can ask about products,
Absolutely.
buy them there at Wisconsin
Yes.
Vein Center MediSpa to support what they're doing at
And
home.
with Sofwave, we have products that we recommend right from the beginning, as well as several of our other newer procedures too. They're even included in the price.
Wonderful. This is exciting stuff. Thank you. You look great, as
Thank you.
always. And I want to make sure that everybody knows you can visit the beautiful Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa. It is located in Pewaukee. Here's the number to call for an appointment or any questions you might have. It's 262-746-9088 to schedule a consultation. You can also do a virtual consult through their website by going to wimedispa.com.